All right, first graders, this week we've looked at articles, and these are the three articles we looked at. We looked at a, and the. And so first we looked at a. And a talks about just one thing, always just one thing. And it's not specific. So you could say, I need a fork for my lunch. Or I saw a bunny hop along, not that. I saw a bunny in the yard. Or I will give the cat a treat. And we also looked at Ann. Ann is like A's brother. They're used the same way. They're both not specific. You could talk about anything. You could say, that is an adorable monkey. Or you could say, I would like to eat an apple. It's just one, talks about just one kind of thing, and it's not specific. It could be any kind of apple or any kind of chair. But the funny thing about Ann is you have to use it with words that start with A, E, I, O, and U. So, then we're going to we looked at the. And the can be used with any kind of word. Doesn't need vowels to start it. But it can also mean one or many things. So, please sit down in the chair. Or please go put away the papers. Or please make sure you get the book off your desk. Or please go get the cookies from Grandma. So you can use them many different ways. So I'm going to quiz you really quick. Can you do this with me? So I have 3 sentences right here. Let's look at these. So, oops, there's my slippers. Sorry, guys. I see something kind of cozy today. It's kind of a dreary day outside. So, you're going to pick a, an, or the. What's a good fit? So the first sentence I said, trees have leaves. Would I say A, trees have leaves? And trees have leaves? Or the trees have leaves? You're right, the. Except I would make sure that that T is capital. Okay, let's look at our next sentence. Blank cat can purr. Would I say and cat can purr? So if I'm using and, the first thing I'm going to do is look at that first letter. Is it A, E, I, O, or U? Nope, then I can't use and. Oops. Could I say a cat can purr? Yeah, I could. We're talking about one cat. Didn't say which cat. Could I use the? Yeah, the cat can purr. That makes sense. Sometimes you can use a or the. Just depends on, as long as it makes sense, you can use either one. Don't say a the cat or the a cat. That's very silly. So, last one. Blank orange is a good snack. The orange is a good snack? That doesn't sound quite right. A orange is a good snack? Uh-oh, what do you notice? That starts with O, so I have to use an instead of A. You could say a orange is a good snack. But the right way to say it, the proper way to say it is an orange is a good snack. So, what you're going to do today, this is your last assignment for articles, is find this page. And you're going to circle the correct article for each sentence. It helps to read the sentences out loud. If you're stuck on a word, see if you know some parts inside that word to sound it out. If you still don't know it, ask an older sibling or an adult in your house to help you figure out the words. So, go through, circle the correct article for each sentence. Make sure you put your name on it. If you get done fast, once you get done, I want you to write a sentence with each of the articles. You should have some extra writing paper in your packet. So write me a sentence with each of these articles. This is going to be like your quiz at the end of the week. So go through, write me a sentence with the, write me a sentence with and write me a sentence with a. So you have 1, 2, 3 sentences. If you need to, you can do it on the back of that page, or you can write it on your extra writing paper. So you're going to send me 3 sentences, one with the, and a. They don't have to start with them like this. So see how, like I said, a good snack, you can put it in the middle of the word. In the middle of the sentence. Goodness gracious, Miss Eastman. Just make sure your sentences make sense and you're using these correctly. Okay, first graders? Send me a picture of your sentences. Have fun.